You need something?
The soft fingers.
Yeah.
What a man. I love you. So I probably should. Actual turds. Good morning. Today is February the 12th. It's a Monday.
Yeah.
It is like 7:20 in the morning. So today we have a shower to install. Gonna be ripping out an old cast iron tub. We're gonna be ripping out an old tub, installing a new. We'll be there tomorrow as well. We're gonna be doing the drywall work, changing out a sink. And I actually scheduled an extra day, partial extra day there too. So we'll see what happens with that. Yesterday we had Super Bowl, so I went to bed late. Chancho was really invested in it. He was really pulling for the, I don't know what you would call them.
I wanted the soft fingers thing.
The soft fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as you can see, he's a big football fan, but
I'm a big sports ball.
it was a good game, and
Yeah.
anyways, not that that matters. All right, so we're gonna load up and we're gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna go to work, I guess. So, stay tuned. It's only the bathroom, so just note that, Isaac, Ellie. Also, Ellie, I love you. So, all right, this is the start of the project here. This is what we look like. Gonna be ripping all this out. Gonna be cutting along the sides here, across the top, down the sides, and ripping all this out, taking the window out, putting in a new, just gonna be boarding it off, and new tub. So should be good. Gonna get a new sink. That's what we're gonna do, and see how it turns out. Bring on the poop.
That was good timing to look at me, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. All right, so this is what we got going on here. Got like a 1-inch lip. So we'll have to build the floor up back in this area. We'll put some plywood down, build it up a little bit, back that down. We'll have to rip that out. Insulate this back wall. We got the window all out. 11:48, so I guess we're gonna run to lunch probably. Anyhow, that's what we're doing. Where are you going? Alright. Our favorite lunch spot, Bell Stores. Well, I need to get something for Valentine's Day for apparently 2 girls now. What should it be? Do you think I should have to get my 6-month-old daughter something for Valentine's Day?
No. She's not gonna remember.
I probably should. They're hiring. Do you want a job? Apply today.
That's concerning. That you're saying that now.
No, they have flexible hours.
I might have to, I guess.
And employee discounts.
Now that might be the ticket. Well, these hours are
Chocolate's not gonna do it for Charlie though.
a little stuff like that.
A little teddy. That's perfect. I could get her a little teddy.
They might even have that here too.
That'd be awesome. You found them.
Turtle.
Ugh, I'm not getting that.
Got the big monkey over here.
It's a creepy
The big one.
monkey.
Oh, they even have flowers.
This is a big creepy monkey.
That's
man.
what I'm talking about.
I want to
Oh, no. That'll scare her.
think llama. Cow. There you go. There's a monkey.
Nice to know I have options. A duck.
I like the duck.
Quacker Jacks.
Quacker Jacks.
Quacker Jacks.
Ellie would laugh at that one.
Oh, that was fun.
You need something?
No.
Bring on the poop.
Bring on the poop. This is what we got done today. 2 sides in.
Not a demo.
Not a demo. Window taken out.
Screen in.
Tomorrow we gotta put the faucet in there, head up top, and yeah, the drain up, change the sink out, start on the drywall. Drywall's gonna take forever like it always does, and it's awesome. So
Our favorite.
it's our favorite. But yeah, we're gonna pack it up and call it a day. Need to work on that handshake. I think we need some bloop, bloop, bloop action. Yeah.
Okay. But like turning on a shower. So I'm gonna turn on the shower and you're gonna go.
Yeah. Bloop, 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 bloop. I like it. See ya. Morning.
Good morning.
You ready to roll?
Yep.
That's cool. Let's do it. Alright, Chancho's got the shower valve in. He's out there cutting a hole in the last piece. Gonna throw that in and move on. Starting to patch in the drywall around here. Day 2. Got the first coat of mud on. I'll let this dry.
What's your favorite kind of duty? Is baby duty?
Baby duty.
That sounds kind of gross. I don't think that would ever be mine.
Might surprise you. So she's eating real food now.
Yeah.
Some. Let's just say her poop is changing.
It's getting worse.
It's getting rough, man. But Ellie told me there was actual turds yesterday. I haven't seen this yet, but
Actual turds?
actual turds. Said she was really struggling, and then she wiped her butt, and another turd came out. So. So it's good pooper. to, we got all the coats of mud on. We still need to do the sanding, final sand, and basically clean up, put a couple trim boards on. Should be relatively quick in the morning. It usually takes 2 days to do one of those. Usually by myself, I can do it in 2 days. The reason this one's taking a little longer is because I'm really trying to focus more on giving Joel the hands-on experience that he needs. He's a very hands-on learner, as am I, but I just need to get him more opportunities to actually do stuff and less running around. So the sooner I can get him kind of up to speed, the better, because I can start putting him on jobs by himself, and that's good for everyone because that brings more revenue in, which is going to raise our bottom line, which means I can pay him more. He can provide for his family better and make a little more money. So that's just going to drag some of these jobs out. He can't do it as fast as I can, which isn't expected. He's still very green, so that's why we need to just get him doing stuff, get him the experience he needs to grow. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this up tomorrow morning. Shouldn't take long, a couple hours maybe. Basically, most of that time is gonna be spent cleaning up. I guess until tomorrow morning, bring on the poop. You betcha.
What is your deal?
Wow. What a man. What a man. Alright, just finishing up here. Looks good. It looks good with that mud dry now mostly. Like it. Okay, just finishing up this job. This is the final product. Not that. That's Chancho. Move your head.
I'm unamused, Isaac.
What do you say?
Isaac can be a turd sometimes.
Not what I was going for.
Bring on the poop.
One more window. Oh, we got a nice shower. All done. And hopefully, happy customer. We'll see you on the next one.